are selling your home in Big Bear Lake, California, soon, here are my top 5 big mistakes that I see sellers make and that you will want to avoid. Hi, welcome back to Living in Big Bear Lake, California YouTube channel. I am your host, Rachel Smith with RE/MAX here in Big Bear, and I am super thankful that you are here with me today because we are going to talk about the 5 mistakes that you should avoid if you are selling your home. And this could go for anybody. Now, I wanted this video to be totally candid, not one of those canned, the top 5 mistakes is not using a realtor. Call me type of videos, but genuinely sharing our experience helping clients sell their homes here in Big Bear Lake, California. To give you a little background on my credentials, I do not do YouTube all day long, even though some of you think I do. I help people personally buy and sell homes, and this is my full-time business. Typically, I help between 50 and 60 clients a year sell and buy exclusively here in Big Bear Lake, California. I am a Big Bear Lake expert, and I just want to share my experience with you because I help somebody buy or sell a home here in Big Bear once a week. And that is pretty awesome. The number one thing you want to pay attention to, first and foremost, when listing your home is property preparation. The number of times that I have met sellers who say, we don't want to do anything. We don't want to spend the money or the time is a lot. And that makes sense for somebody short on time or extra cash. I try to have other solutions for clients who don't have the time or the cash, like contractor connections, sprucing the house up myself, or financing options through our selling programs. But getting the home as turnkey as possible is almost always what will bring you the most profit. Here are the areas that I pay attention to when I do a walkthrough with my seller clients. First off is lighting. Obviously, you want to ensure all your light bulbs are working. Lighting is crucial in a home, especially these days when buyers want natural light and bright, glowy spaces. If bulbs are burnt out, replace them. Also, the color of the bulb matters a lot. It's uninviting to enter a home where all the lights are fluorescent or have that blue, cold tone. Warmer tones like an orange undertone create a homey, warm feeling that's important for first impressions. Another tip about lighting, if you have old fixtures, replacing them is a great cost-effective update. You can go to Home Depot and find light fixtures to modernize your home for under $1,500. It will make a huge difference. Next, I want you to consider the paint. If possible, have the home painted in neutral colors. White cream or light gray depending upon the color scheme. Bright, bold colors can make it harder for buyers to envision themselves in the space. Also, it makes it look a whole lot smaller than it is. Yes, it can be expensive, but it is really, really worth it. Also, if your carpets are old and stained, you might want to replace them. Offering a carpet allowance, where you give a credit to the buyer, is common, but still less likely to attract full price offers. Buyers are going to see stained carpets and feel like it's an additional hurdle. So replacing them up front can help immensely. And last, number 5, curb appeal is key. Things like fresh cut grass, trimmed bushes, yard cleanup, updating your house numbers, and power washing the driveway and sidewalks will make a huge difference, especially in the photos, which is your first impression. The next big mistake is not staging the home when it really needs it. If you stage, you're at a massive advantage. Staging evokes an emotional response from buyers and helps them envision their life in the space. It costs just a couple of $1,000s, but it is well worth the investment, especially if you have a floor plan where it might be a little weird. Another mistake I see is incorrect pricing. A great realtor will help you price your home based on market comparables and real-time experience. If you price your home too high, buyers are going to know it. They're smart and they pay attention to market trends. The longer your home sits on the market, the less likely you are to get a full price offer. It is better to price it appropriately right from the start. The 4th mistake is not being prepared for holding costs. These are the costs that you continue to pay while your home is on the market. This means your mortgage, your insurance, landscaping, etc. If you are firm on a price and reject a lower offer, holding costs can eat away at your bottom line. Sometimes accepting a slightly lower offer can save you in the long run. And finally, the 5th mistake is hiring a bad realtor. I hate to say it, but there are so many agents out here that don't do enough for their clients. Around 70% of agents don't have enough experience to understand the market. My team and I work full-time handling 50 plus clients a year. We have a strong grasp on what the market needs today. Great marketing is essential for selling your home, and that's what we provide for our clients. Everything from video, social media promotion, and even making your property its own website. We are all about helping you stand out in this competitive market. If you are looking to list your home in Big Bear Lake or the surrounding mountain community, I hope this was helpful. And if you are not already connected with a great listing agent, reach out to us. Myself and my team at REMAX in the Village would love to help you shine on the market. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye.